Welcome to this full body yoga flow to energize, straighten, and release tension. Sit comfortably with a tall spine. You begin with breathwork. Close the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale slowly through your left nostril. Close the left nostril with your ring finger. And exhale softly through your right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close the right and exhale through the left. Continue at your own pace. Gently bring your chin to chest. Begin to roll your head slowly in circles, breathing deeply. Switch directions. Extend your arms, make fists and start to circle your wrists in one direction, then the other. Lift your shoulders to your ears, then roll them back and down. Breathe in as you lift and exhale as you release. Extend your left leg, bring your right foot to your inner thigh. Inhale to lengthen, exhale, fall forward. Now switch sides, extend your right leg, bring your left foot to your inner thigh. Inhale, reach up, exhale, fall over the right leg. Place your hands behind you, fingers forward, press into your hands and lift your hips, open your chest for reverse plank. Power down, extend both legs. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fall over your legs. Paschimottanasana. Come onto all fours, slide your arm under the left, rest your temple on the mat, breathe into your upper back. Come back to all fours, walk your hands forward and melt your heart down. Keep your hips above knees. Anahatasana, melting heart pose. Now come to all fours, slide your left arm under the right, gently twist and release tension from your shoulders. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, pedal your feet, stretch the back of the legs, downward facing dog. Walk your feet to your hands, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fall from the hips, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step or hop to plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward dog and exhale, downward dog. Step your right foot outside the right hand, keep the back knee lifted, breathe into the hips, lizard pose. Rise up, arms reach, shoulders over hips, high lunge. Extend your left arm forward, right arm back. Place your left hand on the mat, pivot to side plank. Lift and lower your right leg a few times, engaging your core. Grab the big toe if accessible and extend the leg. Lower onto your forearms, walk your feet in, lift your hips for a dolphin pose. And back to downward facing dog. Step your left foot forward for lizard pose. Keep your back leg active and lifted. Breathe into your hips. On your next inhale, rise up into high lunge. Extend your right arm forward and left arm back. Place your right hand down on the mat, shift into side plank. Lift your left leg and gently pulse it up and down a few times. Option to grab your left toe with your left hand and extend the leg, or just hold the lift. Slowly release, then gently lower your knees to the mat and sink into child's pose, Balasana. Let your whole body melt into the mat. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. With each exhale, allow yourself to release even more. Stay here for as long as you like. When you're ready, gently lift yourself up. Sit comfortably, your hands to heart center. Thank yourself for showing up to this practice. Namaste.